What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another banger for y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Jump over to Instagram and follow me on my main page, man. We got a bunch of bangers coming for y'all. Tune in. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jones and 8 back with another video. Back with a banger for y'all, boys. We're on the road to 1K subscribers. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the video for me, gang. I know I told y'all I was gonna walk y'all through this process, but I didn't. So it's time to reveal the motherfucking SRT8 with the wide body on it, man. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, here she go. Looking good. The bumper still ain't get replaced yet. So as y'all can see, it's already a little loose across the top side. We're gonna get all that knocked out. The splitter fucked up. That's our main reason for really going wide body. The motherfucking splitter broke right here and was hanging all the way under the car. But y'all see, SRT gang, the wide body, looking good. Of course I did it myself. So y'all need me, let me know. Shit dirty right now, so I get y'all a better view once I clean her ass up. But ain't no gaps, no nothing. Everything good. Let's see. Little bit right there. Loud ass bus coming up. The wicker bill. The 8. Definitely gonna have to get some spaces to bring these wheels out though. I don't know if y'all can tell. They alright. They ain't too bad. The front ones is where it's really bad at. You know what I'm saying? So we gotta make sure that we get some spacers. I had spacers on my V8. I'm tripping. On my V6 jank. I don't know if y'all can see these tape marks either, so we're gonna have to get some gooby gone type shit. But overall, she looking good already. I already got the bumper to put on the front, but I'm having some difficulties putting it together, so that jank finna go into the shop to get all the way right. But what y'all think, man? I think she look good. Step back, hit her from the angle. The wide body just makes shit look way better off dick. You ain't even gotta, know what I'm saying, what you got, but I'm gonna try to change the headlights. Right now, my headlights ain't really killing me because I got the covers on them. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to put the cover on when I put the new bumper and shit on. This what I'm having a problem snapping this into the actual bumper on my other jump. I'm gonna drop some pictures and shit, show y'all what I'm talking about. Shit is crazy. But we wide body gang with the red guts. See how she look from this side. I don't like that back view. Especially because that bumper just got down. There it go. That front view like that looks something serious. Pop the motherfucking hood. Got pollen everywhere, man. The 392. The only thing I really had problems with doing the wide body is this. Because on the newer models, they must got 1 screw instead of 2 screws, so I had to leave that one blank. Then I had to like line this up before I put it up there. That one and that one. I made the penny washers. If y'all know, y'all know. Everything lined up though. This one a little bit up, so I might end up doing that one over. But overall, we're good to go. Definitely need to change these headlights. I mean these taillights and the headlights. That's like 1 and 2. But overall, we look good, man. What y'all think? What y'all think of the big boy 392? About time for us to change these spark plugs, coil packs and shit. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get everything right. Cold air intake. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Get everything right on this motherfucker. Got the brim bruise. You know what I'm saying? Shit dirty as a bitch though. I ain't gonna hold you. She definitely dirty as a bitch. But she cold. She look good. That bitch look good as a bitch. The Widebody 392 SRT8, man. First nigga in Virginia with one. So y'all make sure y'all get y'all favorite YouTuber to comment. Link up, do something with me. You know what I'm saying? The red guts. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all drop a comment. Let me know what y'all think. I know we got the bangs in the trunk. It's a little walk around quick review of the whip, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. We definitely gonna put spacers up there, and we definitely already got the bumper for the front. The next thing to do is really get the lights, so we can go ahead and change the lights off. Then we come into the big boy hood, put the Demon hood or the Hellcat hood. I got the Hellcat splitter, so that's the controversial decision that I'm coming up with. But yeah, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. I was gonna make a video putting it together, but I was having so much difficulty with that bumper that I was like, fuck it. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. More bangers coming in the future. I'm gonna try to make a video when I put the bumper on at least, because I don't like the way that's looking. I don't think y'all like the way it's looking either. But yeah, it's your boy Jones in the 8 on the block with it. Nevada L to be exact. Shit tatted on me, can't see it. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We out. It's just something, you know what I mean? Just to give y'all an update of how far we is with the Widebody. I posted the box, but I ain't posting nothing else. So yeah, y'all get with me, man. We out.